Hello students and welcome to my channel Economics and Queries. Today I am going to discuss one of the most important topic from chapter 3, that is aggregate demand and aggregate supply, and that is a super sure topic that will come in your exam, and the topic is what is the relation between MPC and MPS. Remember, what is the relation between MPC and MPS? Before going to start this topic, let us take an example and try to explain, that is what is MPC and what is MPS. This is a very important. You see, if you have an income, okay, if you have an income, then what you will do? Out of that income, you will make some expenditure on consumption, and the rest amount, what has been remained, you will make an investment on saving. So what is the equation that will get? That if I have an income, out of that income, I will make some investment on consumption, and then the rest, what will be remain, that will be invest on saving. So here, say an individual has an income of rupees say 200, okay, and out of the 200 income he is making some expenditure on consumption. Let us take it, consumption is 150 rupees, okay, 150 rupees, and the rest amount remain, it is 50. So 150 plus 50 equal to 200. So here income is equal to consumption, and the rest amount remain, it will be invested on saving. Remember, so here we can denote income as Y, okay, so Y, consumption as C, and saving as S. So what is the equation we are getting? Income is equal to consumption plus saving, okay. Now next you see, suppose the income of that individual increases. So let us increase. Say the income of the individual increase from 200 to 400. Remember, 200 to 400, and as income increases, the consumption of that individual increases as proposed by John Maynard Keynes. Remember, so as income of the individual increases, so his consumption will increase. So let us increase his consumption. Say the consumption is rupees 300. He is making 300 rupees on consumption. So what is the amount remain? It is plus 100. So 300 plus 100 equal to 400. So here new income is what? Y1 equal to, I am writing here C1. This is the new consumption, and this is the new saving, so S1. Now students, here try to denote the difference, that is what is his initial income and what will be the new income. The new income is what? 400, that is Y1. What is his initial income? C. Y is 200. So what we are getting? 400 minus 200 equal to 200. So here 200 is the additional income, that is the change in income, okay. So change in income, remember, that is new income minus initial income, it is the change in income is 200. So change is denoted as delta, okay, delta, and change in income, so income is denoted by Y, so delta Y equal to 200. Similarly, we can find out change in consumption. What will be change in consumption? It will be del C equal to C1 minus C. So you see C1 is what? C1 is 300 and C is what? 150. So here del C will be 150, means change in consumption is 150, okay. Then next you see, similarly you can find out saving. So saving will be S1 minus S. So it will be del S. What will be del S? S1 is what? S1 is 100 and S is what? 50. So change in saving is what? 50. Okay. So here what we have got. Now what is MPC? Okay. What is MPC? Before going to start MPC, let us write the equation. That is, what is the equation? That is income. We know that income is equal to consumption plus saving, okay. Now if the income changes, then consumption will be changed, so delta C, plus saving will also change, so delta S, okay. Now this is the second equation. Now let us try to divide this equation, that is dividing equation number, say it is equation number 2, okay, equation number 2 by delta y. So dividing this equation number 2 by delta y, remember. So delta y by delta y equal to delta c by delta y plus delta s by delta y. So delta y by delta y, what will be the value? 1. Delta c by delta y means what? Remember here, that is what will be change in consumption. You see, delta c means change in consumption. You see, from 150 to 300, what is the change in consumption? Change in consumption is 150. And what is the change in income? That is 200. That is, when the income changes, what will be change in consumption? This is MPC. That is, del c by del y is nothing but MPC. And similarly, what will be change in saving? That is, when the income changes, what will be change in saving? That is, the ratio of change in saving to change in income is MPS. So what